Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Touch Portal on your desktop and the matching app on your phone. This is required before any pairing. Once done, connect both devices to the same local network or enable USB tethering for a stable direct link. Next, open the desktop app and allow incoming connections through your firewall so the phone can reach it. Make sure to note the desktop IP or the displayed pairing code. You will use that in the phone app to initiate the first connection. Now on your phone, open the Touch Portal app and enter the desktop IP address or the pairing code shown in the desktop client. This completes the handshake. Choose Wi-Fi for convenience or USB tethering for lower latency. Make sure the selected port matches the desktop setting. Once paired, install any necessary plugins for apps you want to control. Then create a simple test button that triggers a visible desktop action, such as launching an app or sending a keyboard shortcut, to verify the data flow is working. Finish by saving your layout and syncing profiles between devices. Set a password or enable encryption if remote features are used to protect access. Test several buttons and watch for latency. If performance lags, switch to USB tethering or assign a static local IP to your desktop to avoid DHCP changes. If the connection fails, first check the desktop firewall and ensure both devices are on the same subnet. A reliable troubleshooting step is USB tethering. If Wi-Fi fails, tethering often restores a direct, stable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.